right, guys, we are back with Stuffed Las Sopapilla Company, and today it is all about making tortillas. And Abuela Julia is ready.
I'm here to make tortillas.
How many cups of flour?
Four.
Okay.
4 cups of flour. I'm going to measure them right here.
How many tortillas do you guys go through in a day or a dinner when you're working? Like,
I usually make about 4 dozen.
4 dozen?
To say we're learning to make tortillas from a tortilla making pro would be an understatement. Abuela Julia truly knows what she's doing.
So do you like to make tortillas?
I do. Mine always come out misshapen. You know,
I would be the
when I've
same
made them
way.
or she's made them.
Abuela Julia's secret? Her special rolling pin. Well, it's actually called a bolillo. And it's gonna be the size of a pencil once she retires. It was made by Julia's dad and given to her when she was a little girl. But it didn't always look like this.
It was way bigger.
Way bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
And my father made this for me when I was 10 years old, and this is how little it is now.
It's been put
I've
to
been
good
using
use.
it for
Yes,
70
okay.
years.
Okay.
Back to the recipe. We mix the 4 cups of flour with the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, then 2 tablespoons of lard or Crisco. And being the pro that she is, Abuela Julia didn't even need to measure this one.
I can more or less tell. You know, back then they didn't measure anything. Work your lard into your flour, and then you start adding water. And the water, it varies because you mix it just kind of to get it mixed in there.
A little more hand mixing, then let the dough sit for about 20 minutes.
You make your little dough balls,
Okay.
and you have to work them.
Work them into little balls and use your fingers. And boy, did they. But we'll get to tasting in just a sec. I still had dough balls to make that weren't quite like Abuela's.
Okay, is that about good? Are you
Yeah,
sure?
yeah,
Yours looks
good.
so nice and smooth. I don't know what happened here.
You did good.
Now we put the trusted bolillo to work, and it was my turn to try.
Just let the Leo do the work.
It just does the work. Is that what she used to tell you?
Yeah.
For you.
How many of these can you get done, by the dozen?
You can do about 4 dozen, 6 dozen in about 45 minutes.
Wow.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty fast now.
Well, I better not quit my day job. My tortillas were getting long and lean. Roll them all out, and then one by one, throw them on your comal. When they start to bubble, go ahead and flip. Just a few minutes on each side. But Abuela Julia likes her tortillas a certain way.
Oh,
The
yeah.
last tortilla
Sometimes-
she saves for herself and she'll crisp it
crisp.
And
up.
I like to really
I
crisp
like
it up.
crunchy
Yeah,
too.
I really like
Yeah.
it crisp.
Lot of work.
Okay, so it's bubbling pretty good, right? Okay, so you just like flip. Oop,
Yeah,
oop.
flip it over.
Okay, oh yeah. All right, is that getting crispy how you like it? Okay, yeah, we like the crispier one.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Ooh,
Now you have to taste them.
Julia's approval. Let's see.
It's good to me.
I just had one final question, and it was about the bolillo.
Has this ever gone missing? Has anybody ever tried to take this?
No, I keep this.
I have a feeling even if it were to go missing, Julia's tortillas would still taste amazing. You can find the recipe thanks to Julia and Angel from Stuffed Las Sopapilla Company on our website. Just go to KOB.com for more.